My name is Rishitha. I'm from first year EC. My startup company is Fusion. The product name is Foundation. The product proposed name is Skinfinity. And the empathizing is maintaining some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. Foundations include ingredients like SPF, antioxidants, and moisturizers, which are perfect and skin from sun damage, environmental pollutants, and dehydration. Foundations that automatically adjust to your skin tone texture, providing in a flawless and natural look every time. It could also enhance your skin health. Based on the empathizing state and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. The existing product name is Foundation and futuristic name is Skinfinity. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Incorporating some sun protection factor to shield the skin from harmful UV rays. Using the ingredients like salicylic acid or kaolin clay to control excess oil and reduce shine. Making the foundation resistant to water and sweat for better performance in various conditions. Ensuring the foundation allows for buildable coverage from light to skin without looking cakey. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraint. The mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers to this presentation video to comment your opinions to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.